This recipe was the biggest hit on the internet. No one can stop eating this cake. For this recipe we are going to add 4 eggs in a container. And beat very well with a whisk. And guys, this cake looks amazing. This banana cake with chocolate that melts in your mouth. It's delicious, I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. I'll add a cup of sugar. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we will beat very well until the sugar dissolves completely. And people are already commenting, for me, what city are you watching us from? I'll send you a super special hug, for every one of you who is commenting. I will now add half a cup of oil. 1 cup of milk. And let's mix all these ingredients. Now I will be sifting 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And beating slowly. And today, I'm going to send a special big hug to Emily from Strasbourg. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I will now add a spoonful of baking powder. And mix very well. Add our dough in a greased and sprinkled shape with wheat flour, and I will now be cutting 2 bananas into slices, like this here, and adding it on top of the cake batter. Now I'm going to add 150 grams of chocolate in pieces. I'm adding a mixture of sugar and cinnamon powder. That will be a delight. And I'll take it to the oven at 352 degrees for 45 minutes. The banana and chocolate cake that melts in your mouth is ready. And it was super delicious. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.